everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Girls, I stopped in at Joann's, aka JoJo's. Child, they had new Happy Planner stuff. So I got y'all a quick video here. So please leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget, turn that notification bell on. And I'll see you at the end of the video to say my bye-byes. Enjoy. Child, you know what? You stay away from JoJo a week, and Lord knows everything has changed. They got new stuff up in JoJo's, okay? Joann is stocked, okay? They got new accessory kits. They got new sticker books. Now, some of these sticker books I have seen in Michael's, but let me just tell you right now, these right here, these yellow ones right here, I've never seen these before. This monthly layout is undated. But yeah, if you need an expansion pack, that might be it right there. But the Celebrate and the Life as a Party, I've seen both those at Michael's, and the golds and the colorful boxes, okay? But they got some stuff that Michael's ain't got, okay? I've not seen this sticker book stories box, okay? I've seen it on the website, but I've not seen it in the store. Somebody told me they see all this stuff on the Joann's website, but it wasn't in their store. Well, it's in my store, child. My store has everything. They got stuff I ain't seen before. Look at this. This daily check-in, this block pad, that's a new one. That's a wellness one, okay? I've not seen that before. And that one, you can punch that one and insert that into your classic planner. I'm just giving you some ideas, okay? But I have one of those block pads, and I punch it and I use it in my classic planner. But the Faith sticker book, I've not seen this, okay? Those are beautiful right there. But they got the Faith planner, the mini planner, okay? They got a lot of new notes, mini notes. They got a lot of new accessory books. So I've not seen a lot of this. This one right here, this check-in one, that's the wellness one. Now, I've never seen this before anywhere. So if you guys have any of these already, let me know, because I haven't been here in like a week, and I feel like everything's changed. They got new mini paper, little half-sheet mini paper for Faith. That's new. Notes. Yeah, and this right here, this is a new one too. This half-sheet for mini too. That's for the wellness. And what is this planner companion accessory kit? I couldn't open it up because people was all around me in the store. But yeah, that's new. And it's the same thing, this companion accessory kit. Does that give you, no, that'll give you a new cover, does it? No, I don't think so. Now here's some more, the prayer list half sheets for the mini. Those are very, very cute right there. And they got some new paper. Okay, I like it. Ooh, child, they just getting all stocked up in here, child. Now, I wasn't too excited about this buy two, get one free sale, but if you like it. Now, here we go. This one over here, this Detox Companion Accessory Kit. They got a companion for this one, now for the Detox sticker book. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. I don't know. I just don't get the whole Detox sticker book at all, so that one I'm missing, but they got a accessory kit for it. Now, they got some new planners. Now, these little minis right here, they look like they're all undated. Okay. They got the budget finally. They got the budget accessory and the regular budget sticker book. Now, I have the regular budget sticker book, but I kind of wanted that the accessory one, because I saw something that I like. Now, the digital detox stickers, they didn't have here before. They got them now. They got the new recipe sticker book. Okay. Let me look at this. Let me see if I can look at this accessory book. Because there was something I saw in somebody else's flip through, and I thought I might want to. See, they got rent stickers, which I like that. The Bill Do stickers in colors, the little trash cans. I like that. The little dinner knife and forks in color. I like the color one, and I think they're clear too. Oh, they come in white and in clear. Okay. Reminder stickers, which is good for layering, because you know I'm a big layering person. Look at that Planner Supply. They got a sticker for Planner Supply expenses. What they trying to do? They trying to say something. Say it, okay? Okay, here's another. It's a vertical layout. Okay, now I've never seen this book before. Happy Day. Okay, it's undated, so it gives you the stickers for the months and for the days with this one. So, you know, if you're looking for an undated sticker book, this might work right here. Planner, excuse me. If you said undated planner, you're looking for an undated planner, this might work for you. Now, here's a notes with a different kind of cover. I like that cover. So you could take that note, that half page note like that, and put that on the Skinny Girl. I'm just giving ideas. I really like this fake sticker book here. I love the colors in here. And you know what, looking at this, and I'm not quite sure, but I think those stickers might work in a dashboard layout. I'm just saying, I saw one of those stickers, one of those boxes look like might work really good in a dashboard layout. Because that's what I'm using, and I'm trying to find more sticker books that works with that layout. So I'm trying to be really mindful when I'm looking for stuff about that layout for me. And these rose golds are pretty too. Look at these. These are so colorful Bible study stickers. Ooh, and those are all clear. I like that. Those are nice right there. Yeah, they got a lot of new stuff up in here. They got the fitness, and I have not seen the fitness anywhere either, okay? So, you know, they got the meal prep stickers. I like their habit trackers too. They're really colorful. I like the little ombre, different colors on their dinner plans. Now this layout works better in, I think, a vertical, these stickers. Ooh, child, just my head is spinning. Okay, my head is spinning. Some water intake stickers. Oh, I like those. Those are different. Okay, keep track of your steps, your miles, the little weights, and your weight training. Oh my goodness. These are so colorful. Look at those. Workout stickers. Nice, nice, nice. So fitness sticker book. I've never seen that one before. Okay, now they got the accessory book for the fitness. They got the recipe sticker book. And they got these, recipe organizer. I think that's what my sister's been looking for. I gotta mention that to her. They got new notes. They got some, now see here, there's some half note covers here. I would use that cover on a skinny girl. If you don't like your skinny girl cover, you can swap it out, okay? I've done that with my classic planner. I found a good one that I like, a cover that I like on a note, and I put it on my classic planner. Look at these kids. Oh, I like these. Is this that companion? Yeah. I want to open it, but I can't. If there wasn't nobody around, I would, but there's people to the right of me and people walking by that works in the store. Now this sale, buy two, get one free. It ain't for me, but hey, I'm not talking and you didn't hear it from me, okay? To each their own. That's all old stuff. Yeah, I want to look inside this Breathe sticker book. Okay. It's nice. It's colorful. It's light. It's kind of a, look at this, tidy up. I like that little tidy up sticker. Little stretching stickers. Now these boxes I think will work in the dashboard layout. These boxes will work in the dashboard layout. See, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for things that will work in my dashboard layout, because not everything works in there. Now I like these right here. Oh, these are neat. Oh, how you slept last night. Was it good? Was it okay? Okay, that's different. To-do list, focus, take chances, get creative. I like those too. Here's some clear stickers. You know a girl is crazy about some clear stickers, okay? Nice, I like these. See, there's some of these. I could see some of these working in the dashboard. But that's all I got, girls. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. It was just a quick stop in at JoJo's. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up. And if you're a subscriber, turn that notification bell on. And if you're not, consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.